friends, Happy New Year, Happy 2019. Today I filmed this purple and blue glittery look for you. New year, new me and all that shit. I am going to be making new videos, hopefully every week. Anything you guys want me to do, let me know in the comments and I will hopefully do that. If you would like to find out how to do this look, then keep on watching. Hi! So my eyebrows are done. I thought today we would do something colourful. On my channel I don't think I've done many colourful looks and I feel like let's stop being boring and let's do some colour. I don't think I've used this palette on my channel before. We have a Morphe palette. This is the Morphe Colourburst 35B. It is just a super colourful palette. It's basically got every single colour of the rainbow. I think today we are going to do a purple, maybe some blue, and maybe some pinks, maybe. I'm going to start off with a little bit of Collection concealer. I'm going to put that on my lids because I don't use eyeshadow primer. I am, first of all, going to take, I think this shade here, and I'm just going to take that on a MAC, I think it's a MAC 277, but I'm not sure because the numbers are rubbed off. This shade at the bottom. I'm going to start to deepen it up a bit and I'm going to use a bit of this purple. And I'm going to take this shade here, which is kind of like a more true purple. And I'm just going to put that in my outer corner. I think I'm going to go in with this blue shimmer here. I have some glitter. This is from eBay. I'm just getting a little bit of the glitter glue and just kind of tapping it over. Dipping my brush straight into the glitter. Oh my goodness, this glitter is so pretty. I will have to do a zoom in at the end and show you how pretty this glitter is because oh my goodness, it's so pretty. I love it. I'm using a little bit of Maybelline Lash Sensational. I was going to do eyeliner with this look, but I decided it's quite dramatic with the glitter anyway, so I decided not to. For the skin, I want it to be really glowy, but still have nice coverage. I am going to go ahead and use the MUA Pro Base Primer Oil, and this has gold flakes in it, which is cool. I just use a little MAC stippling brush to blend that into my skin. And then I'm going to go in with one of my favourite foundations ever. This is the Illamasqua Skin Base in SB06. My skin is horrible at the moment, but this foundation just has really nice coverage as well as still kind of looking like skin. This is just a stick concealer and this is actually from Avon, and I just use this kind of to bronze my skin. So then I'm just setting my face with some loose powder. This is from Illamasqua. But for the under eyes I don't want to go too crazy because obviously quite a lot going on the top half. So I think I'm just going to use a little bit of this purpley pink up here. Oh my goodness, why does this keep happening to me? Why am I so clumsy? For lips, I am going to use the NYX Lingerie Liquid Lipstick in Corset and the Profusion Dream Sparkling Lip Topper. I Heart Revolution Princess Cut Triple Baked Highlighter. bye.